are you all doing? Hope you're all having a good day. Another vlog today answering some of your question about the hair system. So today's question is, what if it rains? And how the hair system will work in all weathers. So I'll start with answering the first question. What if it rains? If you are in a hair system, if you're using adhesive for your hair system, I strongly advise you not to get it wet in the first 24 hours. I don't use adhesive, I do use stain. So after 1 hour of getting my hair system fitted, I can go on rain. I do swim quite often. You can do whatever you want, it doesn't really matter. When I was bored, I used to hate it when it rains because it used to mess up my couple of hairs left in my hair, makes it look really thin, makes me look more bored. But now, I don't care. I really don't care because the hair system looks great on me. And how the hair system will work in all weathers, work perfect. I've been to all sorts of weather wearing my hair system. I've been to Dubai where it was hot as hell. I've been to snowing places when it was snowing here in the UK. No, works perfect. It's like a normal hair. I always call it my hair because it's really natural and makes me forget that I wear my hair system. This is the question for today. If you have any more questions, visit Hair for All and have a good day. See you soon.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.